Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Grain. In this video, we're diving into Grain, a credit score tool designed to simplify credit monitoring and improvement. Grain offers a user-friendly approach to help you understand and enhance your credit score. Be sure to check the description for links to Grain and additional resources. Grain stands out as a modern credit score tool because it seamlessly integrates with your financial life. Unlike traditional tools that rely on static monthly reports, Grain connects directly to your bank account, providing a real-time, dynamic view of your spending habits and their impact on your credit. This gives you a much clearer picture of your overall financial health. A key feature of Grain is its emphasis on credit building. The Credit Builder feature allows you to automate savings deposits that contribute to a line of credit. This is particularly helpful for those with limited or poor credit history, as it provides a way to gradually build credit without incurring substantial debt. Grain also offers personalized credit tips based on your activity, further empowering you to improve your credit health. Grain is a great tool for anyone looking to manage and improve their credit score, especially those new to credit, those with a low score, or anyone who wants to easily track changes over time. It's perfect for those seeking a hands-off approach to credit improvement without the complexities of traditional credit management methods. Grain's innovative approach to credit score tracking and building provides easy-to-understand tools and real-time insights. Whether you're a credit newbie or aiming to boost your existing score, Grain offers an accessible solution. Click the links in the description to learn more and get started with Grain today.